Two big names in e-commerce. One simple question. Which platform actually delivers when it counts? On the left, Squarespace Commerce. Elegant, all-in-one, and built for creatives. On the right, Shift4Shop. A no-fee, feature-rich platform made for serious sellers aiming for scale. Let's skip the marketing speak and see how they really compare and what matters. Each category earns points, so at the end, you'll know exactly who wins. And the final result might just surprise you. Here's our roadmap. We're comparing these two on price, design and templates, e-commerce features, customer support, integrations and extensibility, and ease of use. All the stuff that really matters when you're picking a platform. Let's jump into each one. Should be fun. Okay, first up, price. Squarespace Commerce keeps things pretty clear with straightforward pricing tiers. No setup fees, and it's really easy to get started. But, and this is important, their advanced e-commerce stuff, it kicks in only if you jump up to higher plans. Plus, yeah, there are transaction fees lurking around on those lower plans. Shift4Shop, though, get this. If you're in the US and you use their own payment system, there's literally zero monthly fee. No transaction fees either. Nice, right? But if you want to use a third-party processor, then a monthly price tag shows up. Honestly, for most sellers who want to keep costs low, Shift4Shop slides into the lead here. Let's talk design, because if your website looks like it's from 2008, nobody's buying. Squarespace Commerce is kind of famous for gorgeous templates. I mean, really modern, really artsy. And their AI website builder? Pretty slick. The only catch is, you can't dive super deep into customization unless you know how to code. But honestly, most people don't even need to. Now, Shift4Shop gives you over 100 themes, and for the hardcore tinkerers, full access to HTML and CSS. That's awesome, but here's the thing. The templates are more functional than stunning. And if you're a beginner, the whole design thing is just less intuitive. So if you want your store to look chef's kiss, Squarespace is your best friend here. All right. Time for the juicy stuff. E-commerce features. Squarespace Commerce makes it super easy if you're selling regular products or even digital goods and subscriptions. Everything is integrated, and it supports events and basic services too. But if you need ninja-level features, like customer groups, advanced shipping settings, or a ton of payment options, you're gonna hit some walls. Shift4Shop is basically a playground for bigger shops. I mean, there's like 1,000 plus built-in features. Advanced inventory, marketing, SEO, loyalty programs, financing options, real-time shipping rates, you get the idea. Downside? The platform's so loaded, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. Still, if you want all the bells and whistles, this is where Shift4Shop wins big. Oh, and here's something cool you maybe didn't know. Shift4Shop started as 3D Cart all the way back in 1997. Yeah, that's ancient in internet years. So, if you like legacy platforms with deep roots, there you go. Next, customer support. Squarespace gives you live chat and email, which is decent, but they're not working 24/7, and you might catch them out of hours if you're burning the midnight oil. Shift4Shop, on the other hand, is always on. Phone, chat, email, you name it. Plus, special onboarding help and even uptime monitoring for your store. Only thing, their help docs can get a bit heavy with all those advanced features. But hey, if you want that peace of mind any time of day, Shift4Shop nails this category. Let's get nerdy for a sec. Integrations and extensibility. Squarespace is fine if you just want social media, email marketing, or scheduling. Like, basic stuff is all linked up natively. But if you want to plug in loads of third-party apps or extend it like crazy, you'll start feeling a little boxed in. Shift4Shop? It's got a full-blown app store. Seriously, over 400 integrations. Accounting, dropshipping, fulfillment, you name it. Some features are tied to specific payment options, but overall, if you want to really trick out your site, Shift4Shop's got more to play with. Final category, easy of use. Squarespace Commerce is honestly so beginner-friendly, it's almost suspicious. You just sign up, click a few things, and boom, your store is live. Super simple, super fast. The trade-off? If you want to build something wild or super advanced, you might hit a ceiling pretty quick. Shift4Shop flips it. Far more power under the hood for seasoned sellers, but if you're new, the admin dashboard might actually freak you out a little. Setup is way more involved, so if you crave simplicity, stick with Squarespace. Visually, you'll see Squarespace shines on design and ease, while Shift4Shop pretty much dominates every feature and support category. That's a pretty eye-opening split that totally fits their personalities. So, let's wrap up. If you're a creative or a small biz owner who just wants your store to look amazing and get running fast, Squarespace Commerce is the clear fit. Want unlimited selling power and love getting into the details, especially if you're in the US? Shift4Shop is stacked with features and gives you a killer deal if you don't mind the learning curve. Both have their quirks, both have their strengths, but yeah, feature-wise, Shift4Shop just edges out here. Which way are you leaning? Elegant simplicity, or do you want all the features you can get your hands on? Don't forget to save or share this comparison if you want to help someone else pick the perfect e-commerce platform in 2025.